And today I will introduce you another pair of Jordan shoes. It is Jordan 30. Now let's look at this shoes box. This is white Jordan man here, and this is shoes label. It shows his size and the shoes name here. In right here is Air Jordan Retro 30 and another information of these shoes. You can see it. Now let's open the box and see the shoes. Let's open the coffee table. Wow, fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of amazing design in these shoes. I can show you next. Now let's begin. Focus on this part. There are a lot of round stitching in it, and it was like snow on it. Yes. And this part was sewed, black sewed. It's toast smooth and comfortable. This part was leather. It has a lot line in it. Look at great and beautiful. And this part, it also have a lot stitching here, and this is also straight. Now let's look at the bottom toe. It has a lot of air hole here. Another design. I never see it before. And this part, the upper it have a stitching Jordan label, Jordan man here. His color is red. Can you see it? Now see, look at this. There are big design in these shoes. It was it. Look, did you see it? In this part, there are Jordan man, and it writes 23 in it. Clearly. Now let's look at bottom. Wow, bottom was a wonderful design and shape, and colorful. There are 4 colors of it: white, black, red, and green. Did you see it? And this part have a lot of spot on it. The whole bottom it make was model, and this part was the most special of it on it. They are like jewelry, and it was another Jordan man on it. You can see it. Now let's see the lining. Let me take it off. Yeah, obviously you can see the the shoes label. It shows US size, UK size, and another country size in it. This shoes is 9.5, and his weight is come from China, and another information of it on this label. Look the install. Did you see it? The install printer, Jordan Man logo here, and then this sticker can take it off. Also, look, just like this. And then his lining, this part, it was taught to smooth and comfortable. When you wear it, you won't hurt your foot, right? Okay. And this lining was the mask also. It was black. You can see it. Now, another big design of this shoes is this. This is one material, and there are Jordan was in it. Did you see? Okay. Above all of this pair of shoes, detail and information. Let's take a quick review again. Okay. If you are interested in my shoes, you can go to this website, and I will give you the lower price and more information of these shoes. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.